about Nelson Mandela International Day. Nelson Mandela International Day is also known as Mandela Day. It is an annual international day in honor of Nelson Mandela. The day is celebrated each year on 18 July, Mandela's birthday, in recognition of the contributions made by Nelson Mandela, the former South African president. The day was officially declared by the United Nations in November 2009. The first Mandela Day held on 18 July 2010. The day remembers Mandela's achievements in working towards democracy, human rights, peace and reconciliation. Mandela spent 67 years making the world a better place. So, Mandela Day is also called as 67 Minutes Mandela Day. The phrase 67 minutes is used to convey the message that people should do something good for 67 minutes on this day. We celebrate Mandela Day every year to shine light on the legacy of a man who changed the 20th century and helped shape the 21st. This is a moment for all to renew with the values that inspired Nelson Mandela. Mandela Day is not meant as a public holiday, but as a day to honor the legacy of Nelson Mandela. Mandela Day is a global call to action that each individual has the power to transform the world. People across the world should come together to promote peace. The Nelson Mandela International Day theme for 2021 is "One hand can feed another." Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Have a nice day.